In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Drive link to share files. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google's homepage. In the top right corner, click the small grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps Launcher. From that menu, choose Drive. This opens Google Drive, your hub for storing and sharing files online. To keep things tidy, we'll create a dedicated folder for what you plan to share. In the top left of Drive, click New, then select New Folder. Type a clear, descriptive folder name so recipients immediately understand what's inside. Something like Project Assets or Shared Photos is perfect. Press Create, and your new folder will appear in your Drive. Now let's set up the sharing. Hover over your new folder, click the three vertical dots to open the More Actions menu, and choose Share. If a small quick panel appears first, click Share again to open the full sharing window. This is where you control who gets in and what they can do. Under General Access, change the setting to Anyone with the link. This makes access straightforward. Anyone you send the link to can open the folder without requesting permission. Below that, pick the appropriate role. Viewer allows people to see and download files, but not make changes. Commenter lets them leave feedback without editing content. Editor gives full control, including adding, changing, or deleting items. If you're unsure, start with Viewer and only move to Commenter or Editor when collaboration requires it. Once the access and role look right, click Copy Link. The folder's shareable link is now on your clipboard, ready to paste into an email, chat message, or document. Remember, this is a folder link, so anything you add to that folder later will automatically inherit the same permissions. That's great for ongoing projects because you can keep using one consistent link. Also, renaming the folder won't break the link, since the link is based on an internal ID, not the folder's title. A few quick tips before you share. If you're on a work or school account, your organization may limit external sharing. In that case, you might see options that restrict access to your domain, and you may need admin approval to allow anyone with the link. If you ever need to lock things down again, switch general access back to restricted. And always double-check the folder's contents so you're not unintentionally sharing private or sensitive information. Recipients will only see what's inside this folder, not the rest of your drive. That's it. You created a folder, adjusted visibility, chose the right role, and copied a link you can confidently share.